Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively chemistry. Begin by truly understanding the fundamental principles rather than just memorizing facts. After each lecture, review your notes within 24 hours. This significantly boosts retention. Establish a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 30 to 45 minutes daily to build a strong foundation. This structured approach helps prevent feeling overwhelmed and ensures steady progress throughout your chemistry course. Active learning is crucial for chemistry success. Don't just read, actively solve practice problems from your textbook or online resources. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Flashcards are excellent for mastering essential terms, chemical formulas, and reaction mechanisms. Consistent practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, will build your confidence and problem-solving skills. Enhance your learning by forming study groups to discuss challenging topics and clarify doubts. Leverage online resources such as educational videos and interactive simulations to visualize abstract concepts. Always strive to connect new information with what you've already learned, building a comprehensive mental framework. This approach helps you see the bigger picture and understand how different chemical principles interrelate, making complex ideas more manageable. For exams, practice with past papers under timed conditions to simulate the real test environment. Prioritize your study efforts by focusing on topics that carry more weight in your assessments. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to maintain focus. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your study space tidy. A clean environment can boost your concentration significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.